Okay, guys, this local market is open from 11 o'clock for 12 o'clock afternoon to 11 o'clock at night. So I came here now, it's somewhere around 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and it is buzzing from all kind of food you can see. It is so nice and full of colours too. So here is the shrimps. You want to buy shrimps? No? There's the gentleman there, a good man. There's the lady who's not busy. So at these fruits, anything you want, that's fresh food. So if you want to have, there is of course the clothes. These are all brand new clothes, they're not second hand, which is now with this. We look at the fish there. And so if you want ready fish, is only 185. Is less than $8 for one fish. So there's the barbecue. Look at it, it's beautiful. It is really hot, guys, and there's no safety net whatsoever. What is that? That's chicken. This one here. So basically they put that one there, that's there, and of course this is how they cook it. Wow, it's hot, nice. It's vegetarian, it's mixed with some vegetables and all that. That's again another dish. Give me when I eat. Give me when I eat this.
You can fit me. You want can?
Yeah. Hey guys, this is what I'm eating. This one. Oh, earlier. Nice. Juicy. And there is a lot of fruits.
Hot นะ
Yeah.
เดินเลยจัดรวมกันได้ครับ30
It's these ones.
วางได้
Mushrooms is
เลี้ยงเลยจ้า
20 baht for one bag, guys. Which is
ไอ้เห็ดตูนี่มันน้ำหนักเท่ากันไหมเห็ดแย้มราคาถูกกว่า
80 cents,
เลี้ย
I
ง
think.
เยอะกว่า
ผมเลือก20 30 50ค่ะ
That's that. So they sell him and his daughter, and we got 2 bags. So we're giving him, I think, 40
ขอบคุณครับ
baht, and that's it. That's it. Thank you. And so
ล้วนพอไหม
yep.
เลี้ยงเลยจ้า
And that's there. These are all the juice and all that, guys. They're beautiful. Yeah. Thank you.
ไปบ้าน วันนะ
What?
วันสมอน
What's that? Ah, that's kebab.
เอา1 อันค่ะ
This is very small.
you enough ไหม
No,
นั้นเอาสองอันค่ะสองนี่
this is very small.
75 baht is small
สวัสดี
Yeah, okay.
I think we go to the machine money finish
You got no change?
อุ้ยนี่สแกน
Yeah, I can scan it.
ไม่ไอสแกน
Okay, that's it. She's putting it there. And there's a gentleman, he's hitting the right there. And the girl here, she's just doing the... It's there, beautiful. Right.
yeah
I know, they're putting and cheese. Grated cheese. And that's there. That is beef. And
มาแล้ว10 บาท อะไรจ้า
let's see, this one is only 35 baht, guys. A bit expensive for watermelon. And that is nice, and that's the lady, she's cutting it top. Look how she's cutting it. She's fast, yeah, she's fast and good. Kapung kap. And there's the other lady. This is chili, that's tongue. Oh, tongue is nice. Yeah, just one. She's putting it for me in a bag.
Kalau iri bilang anjay, yeah.
5 baht, guys.
Our slogan family. Make a show.
$2.30, give and take. And yeah,
ไหนแต่กี้มา
yep. And there is
อันนี้มา
this other bar. This is a lot of
มีมาเนาะ
oil cooking and so on. As you can see, that is all cooking. So there's fish and all that. And that's it. Sorry. That is a fresh fruit there. Again, fresh meat.
Semua berantakan karena kamu yang